Hello! We will show you how to use drywall anchors and hang a few shelves for plants. It is not difficult and any beginner can handle it with a drill driver, a tape measure and a pencil. First, choose the spot where you want to hang the shelf. To do this, tap the wall with your hand. By the sound, you can find a place for drilling with no metal profile inside. Actually, you can drill profiles too, but that's a topic for another video. Once you have determined the spot, mark the place to drill with a pencil. It's convenient to draw a small cross. Then switch the drill driver to drilling mode and make a hole. After that, you need to change the drill bit to a screwdriver. Insert the screw into the anchor, compress it with your fingers, and insert it into the hole. Then screw it so the anchor expands inside and creates a strong support. There shouldn't be any difficulties. We hung 3 shelves and put flower pots on them. The anchors will hold them without any problems. After drilling, you need to clean up the dust from the floor, so be prepared for that. Thanks for watching, like if it was helpful. On our channel, we talk about skills that are useful in everyday life. Let us know in comments what kind of skill you'd like to learn from us. Bye bye!